Can you do it for free? That's expensive. I could find someone to do it for a cheaper price. Did you do that on a computer? If you draw something for me really fast, will it be cheaper? Can you do it free for a promotion? Why did it take you so long to draw that? I'm not creative at all. I can't even draw stick figures. I see that you like drawing animals and landscapes. Can you draw people too? You charge that much for a drawing? Can you teach me how to draw? You should become a tattoo artist. You're lucky. You were just born with talent. If you didn't go to college for an art degree, you're not an artist. Did you paint this? Can you draw me like a photograph? I wish I didn't have to work and could draw all day. Could you make me a drawing that looks just like this artwork? What is your real job? Why are you trying to be an artist? I know this artwork is completed, and you did it a few weeks ago, but I was wondering if you could make about 5 changes to it, and I wanted to know if you could do it for free. Did you go to art school? Or were you just born an artist? You're gonna be poor. That's not real art. What's that supposed to be? Art is just a hobby. Get a real job.